Check engine lights are your vehicle's way of communicating potential problems with the engine or emissions system. Understanding what these lights mean is crucial for every driver. There are two types of check engine lights you need to know about. A solid light indicates minor to moderate issues, while a flashing light signals severe problems requiring immediate attention. Modern vehicles have sophisticated diagnostic systems. Cars from 2020 and newer feature advanced onboard diagnostics, and some 2023 models even include built-in diagnostic displays. Ignoring check engine lights comes with serious consequences. Your fuel efficiency can drop by 10 to 40%, and the average cost of additional repairs reaches nearly $2,000. Modern emissions regulations have made check engine lights more sensitive than ever. Additionally, using improper reset methods without addressing the underlying problem could void your vehicle's warranty. Understanding your check engine light is the first step in maintaining your vehicle properly. Remember, a solid light means you have time to address the issue, but a flashing light requires immediate attention to prevent costly damage. When you don't have a diagnostic scanner, there are three main methods to reset your check engine light. However, these are typically temporary solutions that don't address the underlying problem. Method 1 is battery disconnection. First, turn off your engine and remove the keys. Then disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 to 30 minutes. This method has the highest success rate at 60 to 70%. Method 2 involves fuse removal. Locate the ECM or PCM fuse in your vehicle's fuse box. Remove it for 15 minutes with the engine off, then reinstall the fuse. This method has a 50 to 65% success rate. Method 3 is key cycling. Insert your key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then turn to off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times before starting normally. This is the least effective method, with only a 30 to 40% success rate. Important limitations to remember. These methods only provide temporary fixes and don't address the underlying problem. The check engine light will likely return if the root cause isn't resolved. For persistent issues, professional diagnosis is strongly recommended to avoid costly damage.